Hi guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful plaque. It's really easy, just like my other creations that I've made. So if you're new to the channel, then just go and check it out, see if there's something on there that you might fancy to do. But this, you could put your daughter's name, your son's name, your pet's name, you could do laundry. There's so many possibilities that you can make with this. Piece of old timber, some cardboard and some confetti. So that's all you need. So if you want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. First of all, I cut a piece of a pallet and just had a small section like this. So the length of this is about 16 inches long. Now you can use any wood what you want. You can use MDF, it doesn't really matter, but I had this spare in my garden, so I'm going to use this. So this is just some white paint, but again you can use any paint what you want whatsoever. One coat or two, doesn't really matter either. If you want a distressed look, then you can just use one coat. If you want it like a pure bright white, then just use two, maybe three. Next you'll need is a piece of cardboard and some letters. I've got mine because it's going to be coming up to Mother's Day soon, so I'm going to do a Mother's Day one. But you could put your child's name, or you know, you can your husband's name. Now I've printed this off, and how I used to do it when we was younger, to print this off onto your cardboard, you turn it over, you scribble over the back here, so that leaves all the carbon over the back. Turn it round and draw over the edges like this, and then you'll be left with the outline here, and you can just see it very, very faintly. So I'm just going to go over this. That's a lot clearer. Now with my trusty bread knife again, I'm just going to cut the actual shapes out. Next we'll just paint our letters. Next is you're going to need some PVA glue. I've just put mine into a tiny little pot here, and now we're going to decorate these with some confetti. Now this was from Poundland, and I think they had a few different colours in there. So I'm just going to get a few of these, and what we're going to do, we're just going to glue onto the sides and to the front, and then we're just going to place these little ones on. So just a bit of glue. So these are how they've turned out, and they've turned out really, really nice. And the one in the middle I just put round the edges, so that looks really nice there. And then I'm going to do two of these hearts in the same way I did these, and then I'm going to place a white little heart over the top, so it'll have like a contrast over them. So these are the two little hearts, and I've got these two little hearts to put onto there. So we're just going to glue them on. So now we're going to glue these down. So I'm going to just place them to make sure that they're in the correct place. Now I've got these tiny little hearts, and these were from Hobbycraft. They're biodegradable as well. So I'm just going to place these, just a few, round the outside with a few extra loving hearts. Thanks for for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. I've got Mum on here because it's going to be Mother's Day soon, so I've made this for my mother, so hopefully she hasn't watched this video. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.